Hey students, welcome back to my channel Maths and Science Guru. Depression. Nowadays, especially in this pandemic era, it seems that depression is seriously blowing away brains of even those who calls themselves strong. Why such thing is happening? What is depression? What are the scientific causes behind it? And the most important question, how to combat depression? Today in this video, I will answer you these questions to help you out to overcome depression in lockdown and this pandemic era stress. Let's begin. But before starting, please subscribe to my channel Maths and Science Guru by simply clicking the red subscribe button which is appearing below. And if you want to get timely notification of my newly posted videos, please kindly press the bell icon right next to the subscribe button and select the option all. Subscribing to Maths and Science Guru is absolutely free of cost for you, but genuinely carries a huge value for us. Today, I am expecting for 50 new subscribers. So now, let's get started. Watch this video till the end to get the big bonus tip. Our first question was, what is depression? So, basically, if an individual goes through consistent stress and sadness, which in turn leads to loss of interest in things around him, the people around him, and even sometimes the most disastrous consequence of depression comes with loss of interest in own life. They feel like nobody is around them who is actually for them. They also think that if it is a bad time right now, then probably it may not go. And if it goes, then also it will ruin their life. So they begin to fear. Fear from simply passage of time. Fear from comparisons. Fear from friends and kin. Fear from future. And finally, these fears and sorrow of being alone sow the seeds of depression. Now, the question is, what are the scientific causes behind it? Any stressful situation that overwhelms the ability to cope may trigger a depressive episode. It might be loss of a loved one, trauma, a difficult relationship, pathetic surroundings, etc. If truly speaking, then we can't say that there is any single known cause of depression. It sometimes happens due to genetic factors, biologic factors, environmental factors, and psychological factors, and sometimes it may cause due to the combination of these factors. Now, how to overcome depression? For this, here I am giving 5 amazing bonus tips to overcome depression, especially in this lockdown period. Tip number 1. Try to wake up early in the morning. I am not saying this unnecessarily. There is an actually fantabulous scientific reason behind this. Having a glance for some time at the sun and the sky by morning 5 to 7 am is considered extremely good for eyes, lungs and brain. It will certainly fulfill your head with positive thoughts, vibes and peacefulness. And it will certainly headshot your depression. Tip number 2. DEBSM. Diet, exercise, books, sleep and music. Have a proper nutritious and plate full of green diet. Go for some exercise. Read books full of lessons and morale. Sleep well. And listen music, which you like to headshot the depression. Tip number 3. Maintain social relationships. Yeah, I totally understand that the tip to maintain social relationship may sound so weird in these times of quarantines and isolations due to COVID-19. But at least you can create an online chat group including your kin or begin to spend time with them over calls. Look after key relationships like your parents, your siblings, your soulmate, your children, your closest friends, your grandparents. Really try to look out for them. Tip number 4. Try to give time to your passion and hobbies. Yeah, This is the great of best times to give a giant hug to your passion and hobbies which you have dumped under the soil of your daily stress of office, college, schools, and lack of time. Tip number 5. Pamper plants and street animals. Yeah, you have heard right. I am talking about to pamper, to not to your kids or yourself. Only even the plants at your home and the stray animals at your place. Watering plants, sowing seeds, and spending time in greenery is a great resistor to depression. And spending time with the stray innocents can make you realize the real definition of life. And if you understand the life about which I am talking, then what depression, even a single line of stress can't come to your forehead. So understand the preciousness of life and give a giant thank to God for the life which you have. And if you think you don't have anything to do with yourself or there is no work of your life, then what you need to do is to give place to the needy ones inside yourself. Always remember, although you can't change the whole world, but you have the strength to change at least one's whole world. Do something good for someone else every day. Now, at last, one big bonus tip to push back depression from yourself. Stay curious and try new things. Curiosity have no end, and the bag in your brain to collect knowledge also must be endless. Always try to learn something new from everything. Forget the failures. Keep the lessons.